In this equation, I'm being asked to solve it for the variable w. So I'm going to go ahead, draw my line down the equal sign, and I'm going to circle the w term. That's the term I'm solving for, including the sign that goes with it. So my goal is to get this term all by itself on the left side of the equation. So I've got to move anything that's not in the circle. So what I have that's not in the circle is this 7r. So I need to move it, and to move something across the line, I do the inverse operation. So right now this is a plus 7r. So since I know this is a positive 7r, the inverse operation is to subtract 7r from both sides. Now the question is 7r a like term to 15? Well, the 15 doesn't have an r, so no, they're not like terms. So I'm not going to put it underneath it. I'm going to put it over to the side. I'll draw my line. My 7r's cancel out. I'm going to go ahead and bring down my 4w equals, I can bring down my 15 and bring down my minus 7r. Okay, so we're getting close, but now that we only have one term on the left side, my w is being multiplied right now times 4. So the inverse of multiplication is to divide. So I'm going to divide all three terms by the 4. So I have w equals 15 over 4 minus 7 over 4r. So my slope is always the number with the variable. So negative 7/4 r is my slope. And my y-intercept is always the constant, the number without a variable. So 15 over 4 is my y-intercept.